Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, we are taking a look at Vino EA. It's an expert advisor available on the MQL5 Marketplace. As the title suggests, this is the MT4 version of the EA, and according to the marketplace page, it is currently priced at $30 US. The developer is Dorian Baranes, and the version shown here is version 5.0, which was updated on March 28, 2018. Looking through the product description, the developer explains that Vino EA is a grid-based expert advisor that uses customized oscillators to analyze price action and market volatility with the goal of identifying potential trend reversals. The EA then uses a grid of orders, and one important detail mentioned here is that the lot size only increases after a stop loss is reached. The developer also notes that the grid size can be limited for additional safety. Moving further down the page, we can see some of the recommended usage information. The default parameters were optimized for Euro USD on the M15 time frame. So that is the primary setup referenced by the developer. There is also a recommendation for a minimum deposit of $1,000 when using an initial lot size of 0.1. An ECN broker with low spreads is recommended, and the EA is described as being compatible with both 4-digit and 5-digit accounts. The developer also states that it works with all brokers, including US brokers that follow FIFO rules. Now, let us take a closer look at the available settings, because this gives us a better understanding of how the EA can be configured. Under the money management section, traders can choose between different lot sizing methods. There is an option for fixed lot sizing as well as percentage-based lot sizing tied to account balance. The EA also allows stop loss calculations based either on fixed values or percentages of account balance, depending on the selected money management method. In addition, there is a maximum lot parameter that can be used to place limits on position sizing. In the grid section, we can see controls for lot factor, take profit, grid stop loss, and maximum grid size. These settings allow traders to adjust how additional grid orders are handled and also define the maximum number of positions that can be opened simultaneously. Now, since grid systems can behave very differently depending on configuration, these parameters play an important role in balancing aggressiveness and risk exposure. The EA also includes trailing stop functionality. Users can enable automatic trailing or define a manual trailing distance. Other controls include a maximum spread filter, a magic number for trade identification, and trading hour parameters that allow trading activity to be restricted to specific broker times. Now let us move over to the historical backtesting section. When reviewing any expert advisor, I always prefer to, look at the completed historical testing results, because they provide insights into how the system behaved across past market conditions. It is also worth remembering that longer testing periods generally provide a broader perspective, so I would still recommend running additional long-term tests yourself before making any decisions about live deployment. Before we head over to our strategy tester, let us see how the EA performed on Euro USD on the M15 time frame, as the developer provided in this report. $1,000 is the initial deposit, 3,097.9 is the total net profit. That's over 300%. 176 trades we are taking, out of which 140 we are profitable, giving us a 79.55% win rate. Okay, that looks good. But then let's head over to our strategy tester now. Let's see how the Vino EA performed on Euro USD on the M15 time frame as recommended using the every tick modeling, and we are testing over the past 3 months, 23rd March to 23rd June 2026. From an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was 260.94. Total trades taken were 19, out of which 14 were profitable, giving us a 73.68% win rate. The largest profit was $102.96. The largest loss was $30.35. The average profit was $25.6 and the average loss was $19.48. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not all that bad, but it's not all that good either, because in as much as the average profit is bigger than the average loss, the difference is not so much, right? So, the risk to reward ratio is not really far away from 1 to 1. Okay. Now let's just turn on the visual so we can see how the EA performs, how it looks like in action. So looking at the historical chart activity, the behavior appears consistent with the marketplace description. We can observe, how the EA opens positions as part of its grid structure, or rather the grid approach, while attempting to capture potential reversal opportunities identified by its underlying market analysis. The historical trades also reflect how the grid management settings influence overall position handling throughout the testing period. Now, because the developer specifically describes the strategy as a reversal focused grid system using customized oscillators and volatility analysis, the chart activity should be evaluated with that context in mind. The way positions are managed, the use of grid orders, and configurable lot progression are all key elements of the EA's design. As for the historical testing performance, the results shown here should always be viewed as historical analysis rather than an indication of future outcomes. Actual performance can vary significantly depending on lot sizing choices, risk settings, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, market environments, and any optimization performed by the user. Overall, the Vino EA presents itself as a configurable grid expert advisor built around customized oscillator analysis and trend reversal detection. The available money management controls, grid parameters, trailing stop options, and trading hour filters provide traders with several ways to customize its behavior based on their own preferences and risk tolerance. As always, if you are interested in this EA, make sure to perform your own testing and optimization on a demo account first so you can better understand how it behaves under different market conditions before considering any live usage. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.